Kidde Fire Systems has a proud history of being at the forefront of innovation in the fire protection industry worldwide. Kidde is a leader in the development and manufacture of fire detection and suppression systems. For more than 9 decades, the noble ideas of a truly ingenious mind have provided fire protection solutions and have helped a wide range of industries across the globe conduct business as usual without loss of life, operating time, corporate assets, or property due to fire. Each chapter of Kidde's story begins with collaboration between Kidde's talented experts and the industry, continues with innovative proprietary solutions and the achievement of landmark successes along the way. The Kidde legacy began when Mr. Walter Kidde graduated from Stevens Institute of Technology in Hoboken, New Jersey in 1897 with a mechanical engineering degree. In 1900, he started his own business, Walter Kidde Contractors, in Bloomfield, New Jersey, and became a successful engineer contractor whose notable achievements included development of the shipyards at Port Newark. By 1918, he became focused on the problem of fires on ships, and he purchased the U.S. rights to the Rich system, which used steam to extinguish cargo hold fires. He changed the name of the business to Walter Kidde and Company and relocated to Belleville, New Jersey, reborn as a fire protection manufacturer. The first innovation he made was to use carbon dioxide instead of steam, which prevented damage to the ship's cargo. In 1923, he added another innovation, the siphon tube, which improved the discharge rate of the CO2. This allowed the use of smaller cylinders, and in 1924, Kidde introduced the first portable CO2 extinguisher, sold under the Lux brand name. In 1925, Kidde installed the first industrial CO2 extinguishing system, and in 1926 obtained his first government contract to design a CO2 system to suppress fires in Navy airplane engines. The vibrant company born in the modest Bloomfield factory soon became an industrial giant destined to chart the course of the fire protection industry in the USA and across the globe. Over the last 9 decades, Kidde has consistently earned the respect and the recognition as a prolific source of robust fire protection products designed to meet the ever-increasing fire protection needs across the globe. Of particular interest to the industry is the sustained evolution of Kidde's control panels to keep up with the rapid technological advancement in modern times. In the 1960s, Kidde introduced a series of electric control units for automatic fire detection and control of its CO2 suppression system. The electric control unit was a technological breakthrough and provided the fire protection industry with a much improved level of control over the mechanical control systems in use at the time. And in the 70s and 80s, Kidde released a host of electronic control panels with increasingly sophisticated levels of control for use with CO2 and newer halon suppression systems. The Fenwal legacy began when Dr. Carl Walter graduated from Harvard College in 1928 and Harvard Medical School in 1932, where he later taught surgery from 1937 until 1972. Dr. Walter was also a medical innovator and an entrepreneur. As a hospital intern, he investigated the deaths of patients from gangrene and discovered that some germs had survived on medical instruments supposedly sterilized in boiling water. Using pressurized steam to achieve higher temperatures, he greatly improved sterilization techniques. In 1935, Dr. Walter, with financial backing from his Ashland neighbor Laguerre Fenn, co-founded Fenwal Inc. to produce a thermostat that was invented by another friend's relative, Wilfred Turenne, who was a refrigerator repairman. Dr. Walter recognized that this highly accurate thermostat, renamed ThermoSwitch, had potential for use in medical equipment such as incubators. Fenwal grew to a multi-million-dollar operation with hundreds of workers, making millions of industrial thermostats. Fenwal hired disabled workers and was run democratically, with employees controlling the budget and sharing profits and bonuses. In 1937, Dr. Walter founded the Peter Bent Brigham Hospital Blood Bank, which became the blood center serving the Boston area and the prototype for the Red Cross blood program in World War II. Dr. Walter helped develop an early artificial kidney for dialysis and also devised new materials and equipment for collecting, storing, and transfusing blood that replaced fragile glass bottles with plastic bags. In 1949, Fenwal began manufacturing the blood pack system, which made it possible to separate whole blood into its components, enabling each unit of blood to benefit more patients by administering only the specific blood component needed by a patient. The medical business was sold to Baxter in 1959. During World War II, Fenwal developed a version of the ThermoSwitch for automatic release of extinguishing systems in military vehicles. and in 1948 obtained the UL listing on the Detectifier, which became the gold standard for heat detectors in the commercial fire industry. Fenwal was now poised to become an industry leader in fire products. Fenwal expanded over the last 60 years beyond thermostats to the design and manufacture of gas ignition controls, aircraft engine fire detection systems, industrial fire suppression systems, explosion suppression systems, automatic smoke detectors, and control panels. In 1988, Fenwal invented the analog addressable fire systems, as known to the industry today with the introduction of the Fenwal Net 4000 intelligent control panel. The addressable multi-loop Fenwal Net 4000 was the first true distributed intelligence control unit of its time. The Fenwal Net 4000 was followed by the single-loop intelligent and addressable Fenwal Net 1000 control unit in 1991. In 1993, Fenwal upgraded the conventional range with the 2320 single-hazard control panel. In the mid-90s, Fenwal advanced in technology to introduce the addressable modular expandable suppression focus control unit, the Fenwal Net 2000. Available in single-loop and multi-loop versions, the Fenwal Net 2000 was the first true distributed intelligence, expandable, and networkable control unit of its time. The dawn of the new millennium saw an upgrade to the 2320, as well as the first of its kind distributed network conventional 3220 panel. Following in 2005 was the Fenwal Net 6000 single-loop unit, arguably the first suppression-focused ANSI/UL 864 9th edition panel in the industry. In 2007, the conventional line was upgraded once again with the launch of the Fenwal 732 control unit. This control unit was an instant hit in the marketplace. It was awarded Consulting Specifying Engineer Magazine Product of the Year 2008 Gold and the Building Operating Management Magazine 2009 Top Product, a testimony of wholesale acceptance by our valued customers, as well as the fire protection engineering community at large. And today, Fenwal is proud to announce the release of the new intelligent multi-loop Fenwal Net 8000 ML. This cutting-edge fire suppression focus control unit is UL and ULC listed and FM approved. It combines the quality, reliability, and flexibility required by modern commercial, high-tech, and industrial applications in an aesthetically pleasing and physically robust package for suppression systems ranging from clean agents to water mist and water deluge to pre-action and foam. By this milestone, Fenwal has once again moved steps ahead of the industry in providing smart control for fire suppression systems. Without a doubt, innovation, the power behind the Fenwal brand, remains just as strong today as it was over a half-century ago. Fenwal, powered by innovation.